I want to become the #1 real estate investing school on school. In order to become the #1 school, today we are #3, I need to focus on creating value. I need to focus on creating a community of positive, like-minded individuals. So I want to show you 9 things that I think about, work on daily, weekly, and monthly, and talk about why you need to join school. The first thing I want to highlight is school is a community of like-minded individuals who are all doing the work, who are all on different trajectories inside the community. So the first thing I want to do is just highlight that. Let me share my screen real quick, and we will get into this. So hopefully you can see that now. So again, what I want to really highlight is One Rental at a Time is a community. And if you just go to the community tab, you will see lots of posts, questions, videos, lots of interaction from the community. Again, one of the things that makes the ORaaT community special is not me, frankly. It is all of the amazing folks that are a part of it. We're now over 270 folks a part of the community. Everybody from not having a rental to having several. We have people that are doing infill builds. We have rent by room. We have traditional landlording, short-term rentals. All of them are in here. We have people giving you real numbers. Jared, for example, put out a post talking about his rent by room. We had someone just post the first 4 months of short-term rentals. Folks, the One Rental at a Time community is the best community on the planet for real estate investors. It has people doing all forms. We speak the same vocabulary. We're doing the work. More importantly, we're helping each other. The One Rental at a Time community is full of go-givers who want to help, who ask questions, who network, and move forward. Number 2, I want to talk about my special guest. If you go to the classroom section, there is all kinds of free stuff, which we will get to in a minute, thousands and thousands of dollars. But I do think a lot of people are sleeping on this thumbnail called special guest. This thumbnail right here, if you click on it, is one that you will see build and grow almost every week. We have had several millionaire conversations in here. You could see the long list. And most of these videos, folks, are only available on school. Again, you want to talk about high equity, not enough cash flow? We actually reviewed a portfolio. In this case, I believe it was Beth's. We had Jason Pritchard on. We had a tax guy. Let's talk taxes with Bob Langworthy, Jonathan Twomley, uneducated economist, Greg Dickerson. The list goes on and on and on. Folks, one of the things I think a lot of people are sleeping on is this special guest. Again, what am I doing here? I am finding a time weekly to talk to somebody in my Rolodex, and then I will record and post that video in school. These are not on YouTube. The other thing I'm allowing you to do is interact. All of these conversations in school are not just me. I post them, as you will see in a moment, on the calendar. So you could join and ask your question. Typically, these events are scheduled a week out, so you know they're coming. If you want to ask questions, you could send them to me if that doesn't fit your schedule. This special guest tab is amazing. Please do not sleep on it. Please go inside and review some of the conversations. Then, since we're on the classroom tab, let's just talk about the classes that are here. For example, the 10-week boot camp. This 10-week boot camp was $1,000. You can get the replay of all 10 days, actually turned into 11 for free. You could do that right here. Ty, he went out and did a 6-hour masterclass on creative financing, and then has come back and done additional follow-up monthly Q&As. Again, Ty is a big proponent. We have a flip hacking presentation that I gave. We had a 90-minute video on buy box. a masterclass on getting wealthy. We have our accountability groups. Folks, our accountability groups are so amazing. First and foremost, I am not a part of any of them. These were just awesome go-givers who said, I want to give back to the community. I want to do something one a week. So we have Frank, the original old guy REI, on Wednesdays. No, yeah, Wednesdays. Then we have Jared on Sundays, and we have the latest and greatest on Monday mornings, which I forget the name. I apologize. I will get that right next time. Then we have my live Q&As. I try to go live monthly in this group, just specifically me interacting with the community. And then we have the one and only Bill Allen, who gave a 3-day challenge trying to help your teenagers understand money, flipping, things of that nature. Again, my intention is to continually grow this. Let me jump into this special guest because I think Anna Kelly gave us one special. Yes, this one here. Anna Kelly talks the economy. Again, this was a 3-hour session that she charged for that we give away for free. Again, all kinds of stuff here for you to dive in. Again, lots of free value. We'll be adding more and more here. Latest, I need to get the Lumberjacks Bulletproof portfolio recording, and I will add it there. Again, we get weekly conversations. So again, all of these conversations in the special guest, you can see they're scheduled in the calendar. As you can see, we have 3 weekly accountability groups, Wednesday, Sunday, and now Monday. You can see that here. You can see we had a session with Casey on Monday, Anna on Tuesday, Dion and Matt. Again, lots of stuff. Then we had Dan Bird talking stocks. So we will get more and more of these scheduled. But again, these are important. Again, you have monthly lives with me. We've talked about. Again, you will see those on the calendar, and they are recorded down here if you would like live Q&A. 3 weekly accountability groups. Again, the community is a safe place to ask questions. If you want to ask questions, you can post it here. Only paid members see it, so you're not going to get any trolls, anything of that nature. Again, lots of stuff. Max is the Monday accountability group lead. Sorry, Max, I failed that. So it's Frank, Jared, and Max. Max does Monday morning. So again, shout out Max for doing that. Again, the last thing I want to highlight is this group is growing. Actually, we're at 382 members now, so that's pretty cool. It's only $20 to join. Again, you get all that value and more with just one of these things, but you get, again, the classroom, the access to ask live questions, great community, and the like. So again, I want to become the #1 real estate investing school. Today, we are number 3. I look forward to very quickly becoming the #1. Can I show you? Oh, yeah, let's do that. Let's show you how I do this. So again, I come here to the school community, estate investing. And right now we are number 3. We have what? A little bit to go to become #1. So again, we are looking to become the #1 real estate investing school on the platform, currently number 3. Join, ask questions, be part of the community, help others, they'll help you. There is no better place to go. Join school today. Thank you, everybody. Later.